Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove or unsubscribe from Steam and local mods in the PC DayZ launcher. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam application and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on your main Steam dashboard, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your username displayed there. Go ahead and click on your username to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select View My Profile. This will take you to your personal Steam profile page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Once you're on your profile page, look over to the right panel of the screen. Here you'll find several options related to your Steam activity and content. Click on Workshop Items. This section is where Steam stores all the workshop content you've interacted with across different games, including all the mods you've subscribed to over time. It's essentially your central hub for managing any user-generated content you've added to your games. Now, still in the right panel, you'll see another option labeled Subscribed Items. Click on this to filter your view specifically to content you're currently subscribed to. This is important because it narrows down everything to just the mods and items that are actively linked to your account and being downloaded or updated automatically by Steam. After clicking Subscribed Items, you'll see a complete list of all your subscribed workshop content from various games displayed on your screen. This list shows everything you've subscribed to, so it might be quite long depending on how many games you play and how many mods you use. Now navigate through this list until you find your DayZ mods. You can scroll down or use the search function if you have many items to sort through. Once you've located a DayZ mod you want to remove, look right beside the mod's name. You'll notice a button that currently says Subscribed. Hover your mouse over this button and you'll see it change to Unsubscribe. This visual change confirms you're about to remove your subscription to this particular mod. Go ahead and click the Unsubscribe button. The system will process your request immediately and the mod will automatically be unsubscribed from your account. This means Steam will no longer download updates for this mod and it won't be automatically loaded into your DayZ game anymore. You can repeat this process for any other DayZ mods you want to unsubscribe from, going through your subscribed items one by one until you've cleaned up your mod list exactly how you want it. And that's it, you've successfully unsubscribed from your DayZ mods through the Steam Workshop. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.